people, start planting your garden. Start pruning. Whatever else they need, take care of them. It's getting to be that time. They're heavy insulated, so they took that high, low temperature pretty good. My yard, all the leaves is falling off the trees. It's time to rake them up. Get them over here in my garden. So it's about time to start setting that garden up. January or February, yeah. It's just about time you plant your potatoes. This one, right here, I didn't plant there last year. You see the old dead grass and stuff I've been throwing in there, getting it set up. Now this one here, this was my okra patch. Okra and wildflowers last year. All you see in there is okra, coffee grounds, coffee filters, eggshells, stuff out of the kitchen. Boy, my ginger took a hit. People, it got down to 18 degrees, wind chill. And I know in some parts of the country, that seems like Florida. But it was rough here. The only thing it took it, and it seemed to be doing all right, look, it's my blackberries. Can you believe that? I need to prune these and get them back in shape. My fig tree's still standing, but I got a feeling she's hurt. I don't know. It might still be there. I'll find out. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. This was my big fig tree right here. That was the big fig tree right there. Ain't much left of it. It'll come back. That's my asparagus over there. And this is my onions, different types. These come out of a hike Gigi and I was on in Arkansas years ago. They were growing wild. And I managed to pull up and someone brought them home. This is a cross between an onion and a garlic. But apparently that cold got to it. And these right here, oh, they're about 8 years old. One Thanksgiving, she needed green onions. I bought the onions, give her the tops, stuck the roots in here, and they've been here ever since. When I need a green onion, I just come take a chop, take it in the house. This bed here, laying fallow, nothing on it. My pipes, deep watering. Now, blueberries, I think they're gonna come out all right. I really think they're gonna be okay. I hope they're gonna be okay. This was my butter beans, as you can tell. Butter beans. This had ginger in it, and this had ginger. Not a lot. You see all the dead grass? I pull it and I throw it in there. That's how I mulch my things. My Japanese plum apparently took a pretty good hit. Maybe not. I know the ones up there did. But down in here, you know, we might get a few this year. Be the first time we have in the last 4 years. Oh yeah, my blueberries are gonna be all right. They're gonna be all right. About time to give them, I'll give them a couple more weeks. And it's about time to hit them with a little vinegar to kick them in gear. I take my watering pipes there and over there, put 5 or 6 tablespoons of vinegar in it, water it down good, and these blueberries will take off like who'd have thought it.